Seesaw. Let's get started. Your activity today is human life cycle. First step is to add that response. You choose your name. I'll choose sample student. Once you've gone into the actual assignment, your first job is to place each picture where it belongs on the cycle. So I'm going to use my selector tool. I am then going to choose the picture and drag it where I think it needs to go. This is a freebie, okay? So you're going to put these 4 where they belong, okay? Easy peasy, right? Just wait, it gets more exciting. Once you have all of the pictures in the life cycle, you can move on to page 2. On page 2, you get to decide what animal you are going to use to fill out the cycle. So just because I love them so much, I'm going to use dogs. So you can use dogs too. Just make sure, or just try and use at least different pictures. So this can get a little tricky, but I have full faith that you guys can totally do this. We are going to take Google Images and place them in our diagram. So, like I said, I'm using dogs. Here's my Google. I opened up a new tab. It brought me straight to Google. So, I know that a baby dog is called a puppy. But if you don't remember what your animal baby is called, you can just simply type in baby dog, baby monkey, baby giraffe, whatever it is. Press enter. And then I'm going to click images. This is going to bring me to all the pictures that match what I typed in. So baby dog. Oh my gosh, they're so cute and cuddly. So you're going to scroll. I wouldn't go too far. I think this guy's pretty cute. I'm going to click on him. I'm going to right click. You guys are going to use a 2-finger click. On your Chromebooks, you 2-finger click. You're going to save image as. Save image as, and it brings up your computer desk drive or your computer folder. So I'm going to title this just what I typed in. Baby dog. Save. Now that I have the baby dog, I can come back to Seesaw, camera, upload. Then, there it is, baby dog. Double click. My baby dog! Look, there he is. I'm going to drag this right here, and then I got to shrink it big time because he's too big. There's my baby dog. Okay, now I'm going to repeat that exact same process with adolescent, which is like a kid or a teenager dog. So, I'm going to do the same thing. Adolescent dog. Okay, I scrolled through and I found the adolescent dog picture I want to use. So I'm going to right click, you are going to 2-finger tap, save image as, and I'm going to title it just that. Adolescent dog. Adolescent dog. Now, I go back to Seesaw. I click my camera. I click upload. I find my adolescent dog and double click. There he is. My adolescent dog. I'm going to shrink it. There we go. Once you have the adult dog and the adult animal picture you're going to use and the elderly picture you're going to use, you can then click the green check mark. Make sure you have this page done and you have pictures in all of these boxes. Maybe you have pictures of your dog or your animal whenever it was a baby, and then it was an adolescent, an adult, and an elderly. That's great. You can use those. Or you can do like I've done, and you can use the Google search. Make sure to push the green check mark to tell me that you're done. Good luck, guys.